Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on TECNO Phantom V. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family, and then click on Parental Control. Now click on Let's do this, and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your child email. Then click Next. And now you can enter your password. Then click I agree. Now click Accept and click on Supervise. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And click Allow. Click Next again. And click Done. And now your parental controls are set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.